Bullish swipe, SXP, cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $1.61 and $3.50 by 2030. Market investigators accept SXP could reach $1.61 by 2025. Bearish swipe market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.285483. Swipe, SXP, presentation. The cryptographic money market has become very serious, however has developed greatly as additional organizations embrace the utilization of computerized monetary standards in their everyday business and speculations. SXP has serious areas of strength for yet it is viewed as an unpredictable resource by numerous financial backers as they move most of their possessions to a more steady cash. Be that as it may, SXP expects to be a completely decentralized resource after its obtaining by Binance, which ends up being a promising improvement for the convention. However, in this piece, we assess the potential outcomes of Swipe, SXP, recapturing its forward movement before long by investigating the center essentials of the venture, ongoing turns of events, specialized cost examination, and an intricate perspective on SXP cost conjectures from cryptographic money specialists. What is Swipe, SXP? Swipe or Sun-powered organization is a local area-driven decentralized stage to make an environment where organizations or people can produce charge cards upheld by digital currency and encourage a simple installment experience. Swipe is worked to go about as an extension between installment organizations and crypto trades. They intend to energize genuine administration inside the organization with solid local area investment and use the designated evidence of stake (DPoS) agreement instrument to keep a proficient and compelling blockchain convention with many highlights. This made the convention interesting and unique in relation to the next blockchain's undertakings as it keeps turning on current innovation. The Swipe network awards clients a profoundly protected system to get to near 150 digital currencies and north of 70 million locales as a mechanism of exchange and installment. The local badge of the convention, the SXP token, is a flexible coin that serves many capabilities inside the organization like administration and marking rewards, multi-chain exchanges, on-chain, and off-chain installments, and so forth. The symbolic aid in taking special care of handling and exchange charges, a method for deciding on the convention for redesigns and authority, openness to the Ethereum and Binance Shroud chain, and is likewise valuable in card issue expenses. One of the exceptional highlights of Swipe is the special programming interface and lock include that permits the client to report a taken or lost card, which is gone to promptly work the client obtains another card. Sunlight-based organization was procured by Binance in 2020 and stretched out its element to help the transformation of NFTs, advanced resources, and digital forms of money to fiat at a forward-thinking change rate. In November 2020, Start, a stage that upholds the course of beginning wallet offering, IWO, utilized for financing new tasks, was sent off by Swipe to draw on the production of new pursuits while giving liquidity and client admittance to the main group. They went further to obtain Spend.com in WAC 2021. Spend.com is an installment framework that uses cryptographic money for its installments, and this cooperation was to extend the joining of digital currency and the customary money area. Notwithstanding, Joselito Lizarondo surrendered in December 2020, around 5 months after the procurement by Binance, and the convention got rebranded to Sun-based organization. Versatility. SXP is a utility symbolic that was worked to be the fuel force of the Swipe organization, a DeFi stage that empowers cryptographic money monetary resources supported by SXP. Swipe gives many items and administrations to its clients with the multi-resource DeFi application that permits them to change over cryptographic forms of money and fiat. Swipe, SXP, current cost. Swipe is at present worth $0.356853. SXP has moved 0.94% as of now with an exchanging volume of $19,755,914. Swipe is at present positioned 143 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $178,143,876 Using the General Strength File, RSI, Moving Weighted Normal, MWA, Williams Fractal, and Moving Normal Intermingling Disparity, MACD, from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Swipe, SXP, to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Swipe, SXP, Value Expectation 2022. Swipe, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital forms of money to rise this year, SXP. The SXP cost conjecture for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.53528. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $0.499595 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. SXP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.428224. Swipe, SXP, Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Swipe SXP cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of SXP will before long outperform $0.892134. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the SXP's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, SXP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.713707 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.785077. Swipe, SXP, Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.25 and SXP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. SXP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.14 and a low of $1.07 in 2024. Swipe, SXP, Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Swipe effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the SXP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SXP will be green in 2025. The SXP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.61, with a base cost of $1.43 and a typical cost of $1.50. Swipe, SXP, Value Expectation